Hey, babies. Hey, Blue. Hey, Blue, the Blue. Pick him up. I think his feet are going to be fine. I don't know why when he set pressure on them, they kind of toed out. Hi, babies. Everybody's fine here. Yes. Hey. When it gets dry, this nice wind blowing, we will mow this today, but it's nice and short. Except that corner right there. We need to get in the corner. Willow. Jim wanted a video of his girl. Right here. She's right here on me. What are you doing? Are you playing this morning? Yeah. Whoops, careful. Careful. What have you got?
Yellow hearts.
She wants them. That's Willow.